Paint on. Let's show you how we did it. Stick around to the end, and we're going to start something new here. We're going to be highlighting a commenter or a channel at the end of every episode from here on in. Norton, I'm using your product. How about an endorsement deal? Hey, we're getting ready to put some paint on the Ranger finally. So, I'm just washing it off with some wash and wipe solvent. Then I'll tack it up, get the paint on it, get the clear on it. Bob's your uncle. Bob's my uncle. So we're just spot painting this fender. And we'll also color on the spots to be color. Clear coat the rest. Simple as that. So what's next? The handy dandy tack cloth. This will carry away any dust and dirt before we put paint on. It's important when you're using the tack cloth just to let it glide over the surface. This ensures you don't transfer any of the sticky that's on the cloth to the trunk for the car, whatever you're painting. This is what we're using for base. It's a vivid red metallic, and let's get it in the gun. So remember folks, this is a hazardous material. It's a solvent-based paint. Not that water-based will be any better for your health, because it's not. So always use your personal protection equipment. And I need to put on my mask, so I'm not going to be able to say too much from there on. This is the clear coat I use for this project. Norbin, it's probably middle to the lower end of the road, but it works good. I like it, and finished piece for itself. Here's the end result, guys. I peeled that tape that I had rolled up and I put some edge blender on it, the secret sauce. And no, I'm happy with that. So this is the secret sauce, it's the edge blender, and sorry I couldn't show in use because I just couldn't roll my camera. And you can see here, you can't see no edge. The edge blender did its job and cut the edge line down. Very good spot repair. Can't see no shade differences. Looks right shade. It'll look good outside. Very happy. And where the mirror was clear was peeling, we got that. The fenders fixed up where the clear was peeling. No, this looks good. Very happy. Bumper painted up. Looks good. Gotta say that's a pretty good color match. So I'm just gonna take a walk around. I got the paper stripped off. Just want to show you the color match. And we're not done with the project flipping out yet. We're gonna give it a little buff. We're gonna paint up the tires or not paint up the tires. We're gonna give it a little buff. We're gonna paint up the rims. So we're going to put some paint stripper on these rims because they're pretty corroded. Get and finish cleaning it up, get it ready for sale. There's the mirror we painted up. There's the fender, painted along that edge here. Used the blend edger to take away the paint edge. Same with all along here. I'm back. So just want to thank you for hanging around to the end of the episode, and as I said earlier, wanted to thank Junk from Work for the brilliant idea of the shoutout challenge, and moving forward it's going to be a new rule around here. So I incorporated it in the last couple of videos. I think it's a great way to bring us small channels up. So, subscribe button's right there. Check out Panther Platform down here. He's a great commenter, and like I said earlier, I'm going to highlight a commenter or a subscriber or a great channel that I've found every episode. So thanks, and until next time, peace.